Yo, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to make a little video, kind of like an intro video. I wanted to do it this morning before the session, but to be completely honest with you, I was running a little late. Home from the gym, I didn't even have time to eat my protein bar before starting the Zoom call and starting to trade. So, just a little, I guess, disclaimer from today. So, today was a winning trade, but I'm disappointed with myself in the way that I managed it. I had a plan going into the trade. I literally said exactly what my plan was, and exactly what my plan was played out perfectly. And I, like, during the trade, I mismanaged it. I got a little bit too cocky. I took a partial, got aggressive with trailing my stop loss into profit, and I moved my take profit that I had set, which hit perfect, to a whole different area. I don't know why is this thing here? I didn't do that. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, so then I kind of ended up giving some profit back to the market because I didn't claim the profit that I should have had, and then I got stopped in profit. Anyway, it's you'll see it. You'll see it in the video. But that's the only self-critical complaint I would have towards myself today. And that will happen. I mean, we're human beings, guys. Like, we're not always going to be fucking perfect, and I'm not sitting here trying to be perfect. But like I said, I'm a little disappointed in myself in the way that I managed it because I would like to think that I know better. So, not sure what happened. Maybe I was just a little bit too psyched out because in my mind it was like Powell speaking later today. So it is what it is. But just want to be open and honest about that because perfection is a fallacy. And regardless of how good you are at trading, how many years experience you have, there still will be moments in time where maybe you find things you could have done better, mistakes you still make. Some are bigger than others, but perfection is a fallacy. And, being transparent about all mistakes that you make, whether big or small, I think there's still learning lessons in all of them. But you guys will see that in the video. So without further ado, I will kick you guys over to that. Enjoy some highlights from this morning's session. The green streak continues, and this month continues to be amazing for us. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My bias going into this next hour is going to be, I would like to find a setup that sweeps opening range low potentially and then gives us that displacement to the upside. So we finally took out all of those lows that were sitting here from yesterday. Obviously our sell yesterday, the ultimate target would have been this very last sell side liquidity level. Price did reverse, come all the way back yesterday. At the end of the day, after market close for futures, price spiked up and took the highs one more time. And we've been kind of selling off ever since. We took out this previous PM low from Monday, bouncing off of a nice 15-minute bullish order block as we speak. It's a very nice order block because it sweeps liquidity. So this is a very valid, high probability setup. There's imbalance inside of there, etc. Right? So this is a great order block. It's the same on NQ. Both of them are high resistance liquidity run because it swept liquidity before breaking structure to the upside, and we're bouncing off the order block on both of those as we speak. And actually, a little bonus, we're retesting the high end of the daily fair value gap down here on NQ. Obviously, we're below the new week opening gap on NQ, so we'll just see what we get. Obviously, we're waiting for the news release anyway, which is just fine. So my hope is that we get a nice clean setup to get long off of that order block potentially. So we do have opening range gap as well. I think that's worth marking out because that could be obviously another area where price wants to, maybe if we do get it long, that would be an area maybe with that optimal trade entry, opening range gap, consequent encroachment, somewhere in there we see price maybe start to, head lower if that is indeed where price wants to go today. And if IM found out you were doing broker affiliates, they terminated your ass. That's how most of these educators got canned. Anyway, I think I'm going to go long here, guys. I'm going to take a stab. We got a nice displacement. I know we're getting a little off topic here. I'm going to de-risk a little bit today just because it's Powell day. I don't know. It makes me I'm a little paranoid. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to get long here on ES. The reason I'm getting long on ES is because the strength of this move up. It looks a little stronger, obviously, on ES compared to NQ. So we'll see if we get this pullback. My entry is set on this order block because there's an inefficiency below here. And I'm kind of eyeballing the equilibrium, which I apparently did pretty good. I'm gonna You know what? I want to set my TP at equilibrium if I'm going to get triggered into this bad boy. So 50% equilib. All right. All right, there we go, guys. I just got tapped in. Let's see what we get. This could be a TP1, guys, if you want. Just a heads up. Totally up to you. I'm gonna go risk free. You know what I mean? Let's be a little aggressive with our defense today. I think it's a good day for it. All right, guys. My stop is trailed to here. TP hit, you're out. I am tempted. I won't lie to you. I am tempted. 1 to 3 you got? Nice. I know. Maybe I should have kept my TP at equilibrium, but it's all right. We're securing some extra. I took one off. This came back so quick. It's really hard for me to think we'll continue higher, but you never know. We swept the low, kind of got some SMT there. Order block here on ES. Really the only line of defense left at this point. Oh, there we go. All right, guys. Yep, got stopped out of the rest of that in profit. Bet was just very aggressive with that, trying to secure any extra that I could. I made a little over 0.5% today, nothing crazy, but it's better than nothing. And I mean, yeah, not bad, guys. I mean, some of you probably did a lot better. I know a lot of you guys were talking about how you closed, up here, so you probably, I in a way, I gave a little bit back to the market. Missed out on that, and very well, this could just sweep and keep going higher. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you guys if you are still holding it. I still think it's not bad. I just think it's who knows? I mean, we've already retraced equilibrium, so that is a discounted premium. We retraced to a premium. I mean, literally, if I would have kept my TP right here at equilibrium, in hindsight, the only thing I could have done different. This is what I should have done. I should have just never fucked with my stop or my take profit. I should have just left it. But I was feeling confident. All right, guys. Well, we've definitely stayed longer than we planned to, but if you guys are still holding this trade, I do wish you well. I wish you much luck. Like I said, learn from my mistake today. I made a mistake. I should not have, once I had my plan going into the trade, I should not have altered that at that point. I should have just left it. I should have left it. So learn from my mistake. It is what it is. It's all good. Still made money today. Can't be too mad on a Powell speaking day. That's what I would say, guys. Enjoy your day. And if you need anything, reach out. I will see you guys on the session tomorrow, everybody. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.